Okay, this is figuring the area of a triangle. Most of us know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. But what happens if you aren't given those? So, and these are still oblique triangles. Okay, so let's look at a triangle, and let's say they give you angle C and side A and side B. Okay, let's say you're given those three, and you want to find the area of a triangle. So you're basically given side, angle, side. Okay, and in the formula for area of a triangle, okay, we know the basic formula is 1/2 base times height. Okay, on this, if you will drop a perpendicular, because remember there was no right angle in an oblique triangle, so drop a perpendicular. Okay, this whole thing was side B. Label this point D. Okay, label this the height. This would be side C, and this would be A and B. Okay, so I'm going to kind of go through the proof of this a little bit in triangle CDB. Okay, triangle CDB. Okay, in this triangle, the sine of angle C would be opposite over the hypotenuse, and it would be h over a. And if you solve that for h, multiply by a on both sides, you'd have a sine of angle C equals h. Okay. Now, in Trig, we would normally use this as the formula for area, but the problem is a is an angle. So in this, they're going to use, and I don't know why, but they picked the letter K, uppercase K, for area of a triangle. Okay, so K equals 1/2 the base times the height, but we just said the height was A sine of C. Okay, so sub A sine of C in for H. So K equals 1/2 the base times A sine of angle C. Now they are going to rearrange that formula so it's alphabetical. K equals 1/2 AB sine of angle C. And that is a formula for figuring the area of the triangle if you're given two sides and an included angle. Okay. Now, if you follow that same process, you're going to get two other formulas. Okay, and the other one's K equals 1/2 AC sine of angle B. Okay, and then the third one is K equals 1/2 BC sine of angle A. Okay, now you need to add these three formulas to your card. Okay, and this is for area of a triangle. Put that on your card, area of a triangle, and you're given side, angle, side. Okay? Okay? If you need to, pause it and add those formulas. Okay? Now, what happens if they give you two angles and a side? Well, then you have to use the law of sines. And the area formula. Okay, so example. If you're given, let's say you're given angle A, angle B, and side C. Okay. Okay, if you're given this angle, let's say this is angle A, let's say you're given angle B and you're given this side C. Okay, how do you find the area of that triangle? That's what you're given. Okay, well, what you have to figure is you have to go B over the sine of angle B equals C over the sine of angle C. You can cross multiply, okay, and you get B sine of C equals C sine of angle B. Okay, and then if you divide by sine of C on both sides, you get B equals C sine of B all over the sine of angle C. Take this, take this, and then we're going to sub that into the formula for area. Area equals 1/2 BC sine of angle A, and I just solved for B. Sub that in here. Okay, and you'd have K equals 1/2 C sine of B over sine of C times the sine of A. Oh, sorry, we still have a C in there. Okay, so we sub this in. We still had the 1/2, we still had the C sine of A. Okay, so now you end up simplifying that. C times C, you get C squared. And they're going to do it alphabetical. Sine of A, sine of angle B. Okay, and down in the denominator you have 2 sine of C. Okay, so this is the formula if they give you two angles and a like an included side. Okay, and if we write the other two, it would be K equals A squared sine of B sine of C, and it's all over 2 sine of A. Okay, and then the last one would be K equals B squared sine of A sine of C, and it's all over 2 sine of B. Okay, so you need to add these three formulas to your card. Okay, and on these, you still want to say that that is area. This is still area of a triangle, and this one you're given 2 angles and a side. So add those 3 and this to your card. Okay.